So in this video, we are going to cover the next topic, which is molarity, and we will also discuss about pressure. Now remember, this video is not going to cover the details of what molarity is. We're still just doing the units that are used. So prior to this, you might have watched videos on common prefixes and on the SI and derived units. So this is kind of a continuation of the same topic. So coming to the question of molarity. Now, molarity is just one of the ways in which you can measure the concentration of a solution or of any substance. So molarity is represented by a capital M, and it refers to the number of moles present in a liter of substance. There is a similar unit that we use, which is molality, represented by a small m. This one is the number of moles present in 1 kilogram of a substance. And then there is a ratio known as a mole fraction. Now, mole fraction is a ratio. It is represented by capital X, and because it's a ratio, it does not have any units. Now, mole fraction refers to the number of moles of the solute divided by the number of moles present in the solution. So this ratio is known as a mole fraction. And then there are two very commonly used concentration measures. What is ppm, which is parts per million. It's a ratio, so it does not have any units. And the other one, which is parts per billion, so that is ppb. Again, it's a ratio, so it does not have any units. So these five, molarity, molality, mole fraction, ppm, and ppb, these are the five different ways in which you can measure concentration. And then the second part of this video is about how do we measure pressure. Now, pressure is measured in 4 different units. But the first and the second one are the most important. The first one is atmosphere, which is represented by the 3 letters ATM. Now, atmosphere is equal to 760 units of another measure that we will do, which is torr. So let me write it here, but for the purpose of the SAT chemistry or for the 11th or 12th grade purpose, you don't need to know about torr in detail, but it shouldn't be that you've never heard of this word before. And then it's also equal to 101.325 kilopascal. And for simple explanations, you can just remember it as 10 raised to the power 5 pascals. So Pascal is the second unit in which pressure can be used. Pascal is represented by the letters P and A. And let's see what is the quantity of Pascal. 1 Pascal is almost equal to 7.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 torr. Now, all these derivations are from the same equation that is given in the first point. The only thing you need to remember is the relationship between atmosphere and Pascal, which is this one. So it's not exactly the same, but a rounded figure is used in case of numericals. Coming to torr, torr is actually measured in millimeters of mercury. And the value of torr is almost equal to 133.3 pascals. And the last one is pound per square inch, also known as PSI. So the value of PSI is almost equal to 51.7 torr. In other words, almost equal to 6.894 kilopascals. So that is the relationship between all of these. Again, remember, atmosphere and the Pascal are most important out of these. So that is all for this video. And in the next video, we'll discuss more about units and about temperature. So thank you so much for watching this video.